everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. So when Divine asked me to reveal things about my spiritual practices through social media, as this twin flame has always been stalking me on social media since I have met him, and as it was corona time, so immediately he checked what I wrote in my bio on social media. So as he has heard about astrology and numerology, but he wasn't aware about tarot. So there are a lot of people who are not aware about tarot, but they are definitely have heard somewhere about astrology and numerology. So it was similar kind of situation with this twin flame. So when he started searching about tarot, as he saw that I am a tarot reader too, so he found a tarot reader teaching about love spells, and since then he started doing candle magic on me. Love spells and several other kinds of spells he started doing immediately. So as all of a sudden, he started giving me a lot of attention, and his entire focus was on me when he saw that, I did not lose my job because of COVID when I was working from home. So he was actually after money. So as he was not earning at all, and none of his family members who were earning. So as I was staying in front of his family in his house, so that was the reason that he could see that I am working. So he, a few years back, or it was a recent time when he took a home loan to build another floor on his parents' house, because he had planned to get married in 2019, which got delayed either because of me or about the divine plan. So when he started, giving his lot of attention and focus on me after seeing that I did not lose my job, and it was another level of, mind game, because he thought when he start focusing on me, I will contact him, or I will, start looking at him so that he can ask for a, help about money. So as I was not giving him attention at all, I stopped even looking at him when I got to know about, evidences of his fake breakup on social media. So it was so hard for him to, digest this. How come his mind games are not working on me, which has always been working since 10 years? That was his thought, wherein I have been kept on pretending, that yeah, his games are working on me, wherein it never works on me. So when I met him, what I used to do, when I used to call him and text him, so he used to reply, but then in between he used to stop texting and replying my calls intentionally, so that I start chasing him. So I knew this mind game. That's why I used to stop texting him and calling him. Then he himself starts calling and texting me, so that I start again calling and texting him. So he kept on playing this game, and I also continued this because of being stuck on those 10 years of journey. So as I already gave him a closure that I will never call you or text you, when I slapped him on his ego. So he thought, if he gives me attention, then I will call him again, as it was happening before I gave him closure. But no, it was not working, and that was, his frustration was increasing day by day. And after getting to know about love spells, candle magic, he started doing back to back on me, and because of which my energies were disturbed, and I was having cuts on my body because of these energy disturbance and the spell works. And because of this thing, my ancestors and spirit guides were getting angry, which was so difficult for me to handle, because divine already took back the control from my anger which I had before my awakening. So it was actually becoming so difficult, so challenging for me to hold the anger of these spirit guides and ancestors. So due to love spells, magic cuts started appearing on my body again and again, and yes, my energies were definitely bothered, but because of his spells, I started feeling extreme anger in me for this twin flame. So as I knew, I can never be binded by any energy or spiritual power or magic, because that's one of my another power. So it's just that when I went on that 10 years of journey, divine took that power away from me. That is my power. So these magic effects, I can learn and understand what a normal human go through when they are doing it on other humans. So my power was returned to me, and twin flame wanted me to call him, text him, chase him, by using magic. There are kind of spells through which you can get these things happen. But as these things doesn't work on me, yes, I will definitely feel the energy when you're trying to tap into my energy through any sort of divination tool, or you are doing any kind of magic. I am always aware about it. But you will have the desired outcome because of using magic and spells. No, that will never work. So he did not know that no spells works on me. I can never be binded by spells or magic. So anger was such a big issue that time, because I was already heavily attacked by dark entities, and anger was actually a way to give them more access in my life. So after his so many candle spells and magics, I did not look at him or contacted him. So what he did, he hired a practitioner. You all know that there are types of tarot readers who teaches love spells and other kind of dark magic, just for money. They know that they are doing it on a person who has not done anything, also an honest person. Still they do such practices on other person because of money only. So he kept on hiring such practitioners, but I did not contact him. So now I hope you will understand what happens when a toxic, wrong, evil person gets to know about such kind of spiritual knowledge, spiritual wisdom, or spiritual powers. They immediately start misusing it, and they still keep on pretending as if they do not know anything about this. These things doesn't work, or these things are just illusion. These are such people who keep on telling you these things. No, it is not something true. It is just an illusion. Meanwhile, they are kept on practicing these things. So as my energies were getting disturbed, then I thought maybe he has been doing love spells and black magic on me since very long time, and that's why I was not able to remove these feelings from me. Because when I met him, initially when he was talking about his, first breakup, that time I had this idea, that he is into all these things, magic and all. But that time I thought, no, I'm actually overthinking. But that was actually the truth. So as my room was exactly in front of his room, so he had two room. One room which which was in front of my room, it did not had a door, but only had curtain. So since I started staying there, he always kept it open. But when he started doing love spells on me, he closed the curtain and did a small hole in that curtain from where he can look at me while doing the spells, because it actually works faster. So there are kind of spells which works faster when a person is in front of you. So that thing he was trying. So that was anyhow visible, but after awakening, I got to know one of my another power, which is remote viewing. You must have heard about it if you are into spiritual practices. So with the help of that power, I saw that he has lot of my pictures into his phone gallery, and he has been kept on doing love spells on me. And whenever anyone is doing any kind of magic on me or doing any kind of energy check-in on me, I kept on hearing their name through my guides. So after meeting him, I never used to feel anger on this person, but because of his spells on me, I started feeling extreme anger within me for him. So another thing, that how dirty person he is, and the moment he got to know about love spells and magic, he started doing on me immediately to bring me down, to feed his ego. And I always denied when those tantric gave me options twice and thrice to do the same magic, to be in a relationship or get married to this person. I said lot of differences are there in this person and in me. I actually started feeling disgusted about this person and felt ashamed of myself. I bow my head in shame in front of divine because of this activity of spell work. I only wanted happy things and good things for this person, but he's such an evil person that he will do anything to destroy a person because of his ego. So because of being a twin flame, already had intense feelings which was so hard to control, and he kept on doing these spells and kept on hiring black magic practitioners who never got stopped. So I stopped giving him not only attention since then, but also stopped giving him my energies. So if you stop giving your energy to a twin flame, then he will feel exactly like a fish, start suffering without water. That's the reality. I knew what will happen when I stopped giving him energies, because I was also feeling the same kind of energy when intentionally he was closing his energies from me. He did this several times, so I remember the feeling. So he kept on hiring black magic practitioners who gives guarantee of results of their magic and spell work. So he also did ask a practitioner to do death spells in 2020. There were reasons, I'll let you know. And then as I could not handle the anger of my ancestors and guides, I started teaching lessons to those practitioners who thought these things can work on me. Because even if you are a tarot reader, you can see who I really am, and still you thought you can do these things on me. So started removing all of their spiritual powers and started punishing them, those practitioners. So because for them it's a profession to do spell and magic on people who are innocent and they haven't done anything wrong. So they think they are so powerful. So it was time for me to show them what powers feels like and looks like by removing their powers. So as this twin flame started doing, spells on me, I was getting injured back to back, and Divine asked me to teach him a lesson through magic. I know everything, all sort of magic I know, and I hold, a sort of powers, but I denied doing this thing on this twin flame, even when Divine asked me to, teach him a lesson through magic. So Divine has been kept on telling me this thing, since my childhood, when there are people who are, intentionally harming you, trying to damage you and destroy you, and now you see what this person is doing, and I have been facing such things since very long time. So you have a right to punish these people whichever way you want to, and I still denied. No, I will not do the magic, punishment of, through magic on this person, because I had another plans to punish this person. So I did not do magic or spell on twin flame or anyone else, because there is a divine law. If you do this on someone, it will return back to you 3 times. But when somebody is trying to harm you through magic, you definitely have a right, and you should not be concerned about that divine law. So this is only in that case when you have not harmed that person, you have not done anything wrong to that person, then only. So by the law, as many times he did spells on me, any kind of spells, that will be returned 3-fold, but also as it is about me. So it will be returned million times more, but at the right time, and I knew about that timing. And as I removed his control from his feelings and emotions, that's why, I was able to pick up on each and every thought of him. And so as I saw him, he was talking to his GF, his girlfriend, but at the same time he was fantasizing about me while sleeping. So I told him to control his fantasies, and through social media, the way we were communicating, through our status and all. And then he got scared. How come I know what he's thinking about me? So spells and magics were done by twin flame back to back, and that was another level of challenge for me after my awakening. And till the time twin flame mystery was unfolded, those evil entities were also got stopped only after this mystery was unfolded. So as he thought, he's such a mind gamer, and that no one can understand his games, and everyone can be tricked through him. So it was time to show him who the coach is of when it comes about mind games and the powers. So Divine kept on telling me to punish this person, but I did not do that. So when he started doing, spell work on me, and I was getting angry, so I started doing the removal of his thoughts and feelings from me, which was actually feeling like it's impossible. And at the same time, evil entities attacks were getting increased day by day. And then I had so many other challenges. So there I learned, if you remove a toxic person from your life, and if you haven't disconnected them, energetically, by that time that person will have access to your life, to your energy actually. And if you're connected to a toxic person in any way, in that case you have given access to evil entities in your life also. So it was actually impossible for me to put an energetic block with this twin flame, and I will let you know the reason in upcoming video. So when I stopped giving him attention and energy, he thought feelings are gone from me, because of which I'm not giving him attention. But that wasn't the truth. It's just that I stopped looking at him. So as I was not able to remove his thoughts and feelings from me, I told Divine that you must be so happy by putting me in this situation. So when this twin flame started fantasizing, about me while being in a relationship with that, a girl, then I thought, he's definitely cheating on that girl, and wanted to know more about, that girl, what kind of a girl she is. That is he really a nice girl, wherein I already knew that she matches entire energy of this twin flame, but still wanted to, understand more about that girl. So since I became his neighbor, this twin flame started grooming his, girlfriend exactly like me, the way I, have my hairstyle and hair color, and the way I wear dresses and jewelry. So now wanted to understand, I'm sure that this girl was not aware about me at all, but wanted to know more about this, female. So now Divine asked me to reveal this twin flame connection to this twin flame, and then shocking thing happened that I will share in next, video. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.